Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Greetings! A very warm welcome to the Foundation Day celebrations of the Millennium World School Faridabad as the school turns 2. What a momentous occasion it is for all of us. Though separated by pandemic, we stand together and stand tall. Today, the virtual Foundation Day celebrations reflect the spirit of Millennium philosophy, Millennium spirit and approach in more than one form. It is our culture to seek the blessings of Almighty by lighting the lamp. I would request our Director Mr. Madan Goyal and Principal Ms. Sangeeta Dhamija to kindly facilitate the ceremony and request all the teachers to lend a helping hand. Let's pray together to take Millennium World School family to the pinnacle of glory.
शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you everyone. I now take the privilege of inviting our worthy principal, Ms. Sangeeta Dhamija, to kindly welcome all the attendees.
Heartiest congratulations to all the students, parents, and the entire team of Millennium Education Management, School Management of the Millennium World School Faridabad on the occasion of the Foundation Day celebrations. We have turned 2 after all. A very happy Foundation Day, everyone. A virtual Foundation Day, none of us had ever imagined that virtual world would become real to this extent. But here we are. I extend a very warm and hearty welcome to Mr. Rajendra Goyal, School Chairman, MWS Faridabad, Mr. Madan Goyal, School Director, MWS Faridabad, and the entire team of Millennium Education Management, principals from Millennium schools across the country, all the parents, teachers, and our very, very dear students. Welcome, everyone. Foundation Day is a perfect day to take a pause and reflect upon one's journey. Immerse in nostalgia. Let emotions flow, not to forget to take stock of the lessons learned from the mistakes made and bask in the glory of achievements. In a nutshell, I unlock the treasure of memories and add many more to the memorabilia and celebrate with zeal and fervor. Foundation Day is also the day to create a concrete action plan to march ahead with steady and strong steps towards the acme. When children walked into the campus on 15th April 2019, we welcomed them with open arms, with a clear vision in our minds to nurture a vibrant, innovative, and caring environment that is committed to excellence in education. Since then, every action plan, every lesson plan, every system, every policy that we have designed is keeping in mind the school's mission, vision, and the core values. In a short span of 2 years, we have innumerable success stories to share. The credit goes to Millennium educators. They have worked hard day in and day out to create happy classrooms. Dear attendees, within a short span of 1 year, education has transitioned from face to face learning to a blended learning era. We are confident that we will achieve our goals because we have the support and expertise of MEM with us. Our rich legacy that we have inherited from the MEM gives us the courage to dream big. The trust that all the parents repose in us strengthens one's determination. Our committed Millennium educators, supported by an equally effective admin team, assure us to win. We can foresee 2030, and we're all set to equip our children with the 21st century skills of collaboration, communication, creativity, and critical thinking ability. All we need is the support, cooperation, and best wishes. God bless and thank you.
One in a million is our millennium. Beneath the bright blue sky, it's due. With pride we will voice the name of our school, and in our hearts its love will brew. The school where our dreams and hopes will arise. With heads held up high, we will sing its praise. Love for our school is the theme of our song, and in its grace we will never go wrong. Millennium will shine like a star in the sky. Millennium will hold up our banner so high. Millennium, the school of our choice, in its glory we will rejoice. With God's spirit on, we will move hand in hand. The tempest of life with His grace will withstand. Honor and glory to school we will give, and love millennium as long as we live. To our school we will always and ever be true, and uphold its name for the world to view. With love in our hearts and prayers in our soul, exalting our school will be our goal. Millennium will shine like a star in the sky. Millennium will hold up our banner so high. Millennium, the school of our choice, in its glory we will rejoice. In its glory we will rejoice.
Let's hear the parents while they share their joy with us.
I've been associated with Millennium since last year. So Ayan is a child who is very sharp but would not sit in one place for a long time. So he will go to 6th standard now. Ever since from nursery to 5th standard, I had this issue, and when I came in for admission, I kind of said this explicitly to the principal ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, Supreet ma'am, that this is an issue, and you guys would need to probably keep an eye. And I can tell you, within the last 1 year, the change that's come in Ayan, the way he's been grasping things, he grasps very fast, but the way the teachers have spent the time, to ensure that the children are able to get the syllabus in the way that they understand. It's just not a race to complete the syllabus. It's to ensure that the children understand the concept. So till fourth standard, I always had to sit with them after my office and explain the syllabus, explain the concept, especially maths and EVS and grammar. This last year, I didn't have any time to do it, A, but B, I never felt the need to do it either, because anytime I would sit down to ask anything, he already knows the concept, which was amazing. Being a working mother, I can tell you, it's been a boon, and with God's grace, I got this school. So thank you so much. And yes, Ruchi and Supreet, there's a huge shout out to you guys. You did a tremendous job. I never felt that you guys are out of reach. Any time of the day or night. And me, I have so many customizations I need with transport and this and that. And you guys have never said no to anything. You've always tried to work around your rules and always bend the rules wherever possible. So thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Nirmalesh, Harshit's father, and I would like to share my experience on the online classes being conducted by Millennium World School nowadays. So Harshit is enjoying online classes, and with that being said, I would like to emphasize on learning with enjoyment is the most wonderful experience for a student. And I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, all the teachers for conducting online classes. Feeling glad to be part of the Millennium World family now. Thank you.
Hi. Our kids are new intern of Millennium World School.
And we are very happy to be a part of Millennium World School, as the school imparts new innovation techniques and the new behavioral studies to the kids.
We would like to wish Millennium World School a very happy second birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
A very happy birthday to Millennium World School. So far, the experience with Millennium World School is fabulous. Thanks to Principal Ma'am, staff and all teachers for their tremendous support to my kids. I am very delighted to be part of Millennium family. Thank you. And once again, wishing you a very happy birthday, Millennium World School. Keep going, keep growing. Let's celebrate.
Thanks to all the parents for believing in us. We are a happy Millennium family because of your undaunted support and cooperation. In a short span of 2 years, we have innumerable success stories to share. The credit goes to our Millennium educators who work hard day in and day out to create happy classrooms. Let's witness their delight too.
Hello everyone, this is Deepthi Kataria, Academic Coordinator at Millennium World School, Faridabad. From the day I have started working in Millennium World School, it has been exhilarating. Millennium is an impressive organization that makes educators feel supported and equipped in their efforts to change lives. It feels great to be part of a group that takes meaningful steps towards turning our philosophy into actions. I would also like to acknowledge the opportunities given to each staff member for transforming themselves into a better version of oneself. My experience at Millennium has been wonderfully illuminating. So I would like to thank Millennium family for making me feel at home, and I wish Millennium World School a very happy birthday.
Hi, I'm Triti. While I started working at Millennium World School, I feel honored to work with such professional and positive people. The administration, care, and the trust which we have in here is unique and very special. Millennium World School is an impressive organization that makes its educators feel supported and equipped in their efforts to change lives. I wish our Millennium World School a very happy second birthday.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम गीता भाटिया है और मैं मिलेनियम वर्ल्ड स्कूल फरीदाबाद में हिंदी विषय की अध्यापिका के रूप में 2 वर्षों से कार्यरत हूँ। मिलेनियम वर्ल्ड स्कूल एक परिवार की भांति है। यहाँ पर आकर मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। यहाँ का जो वातावरण है बहुत ही खुशहाल और सकारात्मक वातावरण है। यहाँ सभी सदस्य एक परिवार की भांति रहते हैं और विशेष तौर पर प्रधानाचार्य संगीता धमीजा जी की अहम भूमिका है मिलेनियम वर्ल्ड स्कूल को आगे ले जाने में। यहाँ पर सभी शिक्षक वर्ग अपनी पूर्ण रूप से अहम भूमिका निभा रहे हैं और छात्रों के सर्वांगीण विकास में कार्यरत हैं। अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी कि जैसे जैसे मिलेनियम आगे बढ़ता जाएगा वैसे वैसे ही हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं मिलेनियम के लिए। जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो मिलेनियम। धन्यवाद।
Hi, my name is Deepak. Being a Millennium teacher is a different environment than I have ever experienced. The level of care and trust that the management has in their teachers is so unique and special. I have felt extremely supported by the staff. I am not afraid to try new things at Millennium because I know there is a family to fall back on and learn from. I feel honored to work with such passionate and positive people. The community here is astounding and never fails to come up with new and unique methods for integrating captivating strategies for the students. My experience as a teacher in Millennium has been enlightening from the moment I have signed on the line. So I want to wish Millennium World School a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Thanks, Millennium facilitators. Millennium World School is fortunate to have been blessed with a team of extremely sincere, responsible, sensible, sensitive and empathetic people. Dear attendees, within a short span of time, we have really achieved so much. I am sure that very soon Millennium World School family will emerge as a role model for others to follow. The moment we hear the word birthday, the first image that flashes across the mind is the birthday cake. You have guessed it right. It's time for the cake cutting ceremony.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too.
A very happy birthday to Millennium World School Faridabad. God bless you. The success of an institution entirely depends on leadership. Good leaders steer the institution in the right direction. With their thought leadership, we create a culture conducive to institution's growth and progress. We are fortunate to be led by a school management that envisions, empathizes with the stakeholders and is progressive and a lot more than any adjectives that I am aware of. I hereby request our respected chairman sir to kindly bless us on this momentous occasion.
मैं मिलेनियम वर्ल्ड स्कूल के सभी अभिभावकों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। वे 2 साल खुशी खुशी पूरे करने की आप सभी लोगों को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि पिछले वर्ष बहुत ही दिक्कतों व संकटों भरा वर्ष था, परंतु उसमें भी आप सभी ने अपनी हिम्मत नहीं हारी और हौसलों के बल पर आगे बढ़ते गए। यह आप सभी के सहयोग व प्यार के बल पर संभव हो सका है। मैं अपनी तरफ से स्कूल की माननीय प्रधान आचार्य श्रीमती संगीता धमीजा, संपूर्ण शिक्षक समूह, अभिभावक गणों व अपने प्यारे बच्चों, आपका दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ। व ऐसी कामना करता हूँ कि आप सभी प्रतिदिन दिन पर दिन तरक्की करें व आप सभी के सहयोग से यह विद्यालय और अधिक उन्नति की ओर अग्रसर करे। आप सभी ने इतने कठिन वर्षों में भी जिस हौसलों के बल पर ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अपनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका अदा की है वह सराहनीय है। आगे भी इसी तरह से आप सभी अपना संपूर्ण योगदान व सहयोग देकर इस विद्यालय को ऊंचाइयों के शिखर पर पहुंचाने में सहयोग करें। अंत में बस मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि यह स्कूल आपकी धरोहर है और अपनी धरोहर को आपने किस तरह से सुरक्षित रखना है या इससे भी आगे लेकर जाना है, ये आप पर डिपेंड करता है। धन्यवाद। मिलेनियम परिवार को फाउंडेशन दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई। धन्यवाद।
Greetings, dear parents, teachers, and students. Wishing you all a very happy Foundation Day. Although we had all wished the Foundation Day to be celebrated at the school campus with all the students, the pandemic has denied us to do that. Nevertheless, it is a momentous occasion. It gives me a great joy to be able to address you even if it's on a virtual platform. MWS Faridabad has come a long way in the last 2 years of its existence. And as parents, I'm sure that you have also seen that your children have blossomed under the learning guidance of our Millennium educators. Our dreams and aspirations are converted into reality by our principal, Ma'am Sangeeta Dhamija. She had toiled day and night and has driven herself and her team to excellence. And for that, we are very thankful to her. Despite all odds, the team at MWS Faridabad has ensured the learning never stops. Our faith and belief in the ethos and philosophy has enabled us to move forward with grit and courage. We are absolutely overwhelmed with the love and gratitude that has been showered on us by our Millennium parents. Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am, and the facilitators for taking the school to the pinnacle as it is today. Looking forward to more successful innings. While we hope and pray the normalcy returns at the earliest, we wish for your safety, health, and happiness. I take this opportunity to convey our best wishes and congratulations to all of you, the Millennium family assembled here today. Once again, congratulations and a very happy Foundation Day. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks a bunch, dear Chairman Sir and Director Sir. It is your belief in all of us that encourages us to go the extra mile and realize Millennium philosophies in letter and spirit. The Millennium World School has been able to complement the Millennium philosophy, values, culture in a short span of 2 years because of the support and guidance of Millennium Education Management. I would like to invite Honorable Ms. Gitika Bahuguna, COO, Millennium Education Management, to bless us on this momentous occasion. Gitika ma'am has been a constant support and a source of encouragement to all of us. She has taught us the real meaning of Millennium Educator. It is a proud privilege to invite ma'am Gitika Bahuguna with the thunderous
Heartiest congratulations to the entire fraternity of Millennium World School Faridabad on turning 2 today. It has been really heartening to watch the school grow from strength to strength, capitalizing on every challenge and turning it into an opportunity to learn and grow, especially in the last 1 year. Really encouraging to see that school could maintain its high energy learning culture and personalized teaching approach so that every child could blossom and perform even on the virtual platform. There have been many occasions where I've personally watched your students perform not only at the national forums but also at international events with great confidence and panache. Well, this stands testimony to the hard work put in by the entire team that has been working round the clock against all odds. My heartfelt compliments to you, Sangeeta ma'am, for your vision and proactiveness, all your teachers for their passion and commitment, students for their efforts, and parents for their trust and support extended towards building such a strong foundation of the school. The school is now all geared to scale new heights. My best wishes to all the children for a safe return to school, to learn new skills, to meet their friends, and unfold their wings of imagination to soar high. Team Faridabad surely rocks. So here's to yet another promising year. Stay safe. Jai Millennium.
Thank you, Gitika Bahuguna ma'am, for blessing us. May Millennium World School Faridabad nurture and grow under your able guidance and support. Ma'am Renuka Dhar, Head Implementation, Millennium Education Management, has been attached to Millennium World School Faridabad since the inception of the school. She has mentored us, shaped us, encouraged us to go beyond our limits, to do anything and everything we can for making learning joyful and a meaningful experience for all the children. Dear attendees, it is my privilege to invite Ma'am Renuka Dhar to share her sentiments on this momentous occasion. Please welcome Renuka ma'am with a loud round of applause.
Good morning, one and all. Today on the occasion of the Founders' Day of the Millennium World School Faridabad, I would like to congratulate our confident children, our dedicated facilitators of the school, and the guiding force of the school, that is the principal, Mrs. Sangeeta Dhameja. All this would have not been possible without the support of the management of the school and the constant cooperation of the parents. Further, I would like to share that during the pandemic, the kind of learning outcomes which have been received by the children is commendable. They have learnt not only how to use technology to the best and to make it so useful in every walk of life, and have got an exposure of international learning too. I would wish all the children all the best, and I hope that they reach to the highest goals in their life. All the best, children, once again, and the team Faridabad, kudos to you. Keep doing good work and you will always rock. Bye-bye and take care. Be safe. Thank you.
Thank you, Renuka ma'am, for your love and blessings. At this juncture, I am reminded of a book, Magic, by Rhonda Byrne, wherein she quotes, "Your gratitude is magnetic. The more gratitude you have, the more abundance you magnetize." With this belief in my mind, I now revoke the vote of thanks. On the onset, I would like to thank Mr. Rajendra Goyal, Chairman, the Millennium World School, Mr. Madan Goyal, Director, the Millennium World School, for extending support through thick and thin and believing in us, come what may. Thanks, sir, for your unflinching support. I would also like to thank Gitika ma'am, COO, Millennium Education Management, and Renuka ma'am, Head Implementation, Millennium Education Management, and the entire team at Millennium Education Management for being a guiding light at the Millennium World School. We will always remain indebted to you, for you are our Guru. You empower us every day to become better than yesterday. No wonder continual improvement is the way of life at the Millennium World School Faridabad. I also thank the principals of all the Millennium School Pan India for joining us for the Foundation Day celebrations. I thank all the parents from the inner recess of my heart for joining us for the Foundation Day celebrations, and certainly for their undaunted support at all times. A big thanks to dear children for the beautiful birthday cards. Thank you, children, you all are amazing. A special thanks to the children and their parents who supported us with the videos showcasing their talent and the birthday wishes. Heartfelt heartfelt thanks to the entire team, both admin and academic wing of the Millennium World School, for working earnestly to put up today's show. You are the backbone of the Millennium World School. Last but not the least, our dear principal, Mrs. Sangeeta Dhamija, who worked hard from the conception to the realization of virtual Foundation Day celebrations. Thanks for creating a culture of reality and collaboration that makes us a team to be envious of. Thanks for making us believe in the power of we. Dear attendees, before I request you to rise for the national anthem, I wish all of you a blissful, safe and healthy year ahead. May the year 2021 bring a happy time with children at school. May we celebrate the forthcoming events in the school campus in your gracious company. God bless. I request you all to kindly join us for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे